Paradise Living. I'm Barbara Lapointe, your host, and today we're in the heart of Puerto Vallarta on a very iconic corner directly across from one of the most famous restaurants in Puerto Vallarta, 2 blocks from the Malecón. Let's go check out this cool house. We're gonna meet up with my good friend, Jose.
Hey Barbara.
Hi Jose.
Welcome, how are you doing?
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, please. Welcome to Casiren.
Muchas gracias.
Yeah.
Okay, so Jose, we're here at your listing in the heart of the Arts District. It's a beautiful, authentic, cultural building. I'm loving it. And shout out to Century 21 Ocean Realty in the marina. Tell me about this place.
Well, first of all, thank you for coming. Actually, this place is very rich in history, since it's been twice an art gallery. It has been also a wine cellar for Cafés Artistes, and now we have this beautiful house with beautiful views.
Yes, you can feel the character in it and then the history.
Right.
So I'm excited to take a tour. What is this? What is this property? How many bedrooms and how many bathrooms?
This property features 4 bathrooms and 3.5 bathrooms.
All right, well let's go take a look.
Okay, great.
I love this area because I love the brick wall, and it feels really Mexican because of the terracotta colors, these bright warm colors, and a lot of contrast of cool colors, very earthy. It's a lot of good feelings in here. What room is this?
Okay, so right now we're at the common area of the first condo. This property actually features two condos with separate entrances, so it makes a great interesting investment for any potential client.
Mm-hmm. When I was reviewing this property, I'm like, wow, it would make a fantastic Airbnb.
Absolutely.
Yeah, very strong investment. I love this room. I love the decor, the strong terracotta colors, bold colors. A lot of feels very Mexican in here.
It does. It does. I think they did a great work with the decor. Mm-hmm. We have some very nice paintings that add a vibrant ambience to this property.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's been very well maintained, and I'm looking forward to taking a tour. So can we go check out the kitchen?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Let's go.
This is kind of what I was talking about with this Mexican decor. So you've got the warm colors that are very bold, and then you've got cool yellow, cool blue. I like it. This is a cool kitchen.
It is. Actually, I'm not a very colorful person. I like more neutral colors, but this works just fine. I think they did a great balance with the colors, and it feels cozy. It's very nice.
Yeah, Jose, I mean, there's a lot of space in this kitchen, and you can see the living room. I love the bar that you can see out, have your breakfast, the yellow with the wood. There's a lot of cupboard space here. It's not a tiny kitchen, it's an ample kitchen.
Absolutely. Mm-hmm. I couldn't agree more. Lots of open spaces, high ceilings, lots of natural lights. So
yeah, the ceilings are high. They've done a great job because this is an old building of maintaining the property.
Well, this particular unit was remodeled in 2016, so it's been like this for 8 years.
Okay. Well, I always say the heart of every home is the kitchen, and homes are kind of like a place for community in Mexico, so I could see a lot of connection happening in this home.
Actually, yes.
And so here we are in the living room, and it's very open in here.
It is. We have lots of natural light, lots of fresh air right here, and
yeah, well, I love the door, and I love the way the brick right there is like peekabooing through. All the details. Do you love this house and this window? Can we open it?
Absolutely. Let's go for it.
Okay. Oh my gosh! It's like, I remember once I stayed in a building in Paris, downtown Paris, and the windows were like that, and you look down, but like this really makes you feel like, yes, I'm in Mexico, and you can see this cobblestone streets, and I love the little birds there, like all the little details that make you feel like it's truly a work of art.
Yeah, actually, a fun fact, many people just come, I haven't seen any of those in any other area in Puerto Vallarta, so many people actually come and take pictures with birds.
Really?
In the windows, so.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Really fun fact.
Okay, so this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, so show me the bedrooms.
Yeah, absolutely, be my guest. Please follow me. So right here we have a full bathroom that's actually being shared for the 2 bedrooms.
Okay.
You could see those tiny tiles. It actually adds a lot of character to the bath.
Yeah, there's so much character. They're like purple little mosaic tiles and little circles and a cute little window. It's very charming.
It's tiny but charming, yeah.
Tiny but charming. Here we are in the 2nd bedroom.
Okay.
And this is a great guest room. And again, I love the window.
Yeah, these windows keep coming up throughout the apartment. The birds keep coming up too.
Yeah, the sounds of the street. Like we're only what 2-3 blocks away from the ocean.
3 blocks from the ocean.
3 blocks from the ocean. Yeah, it's really beautiful and it's very spacious. We're in the arts district, so it just makes sense, right?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, we were surrounded by art galleries and very nice restaurants. Some of the best restaurants in town, so it's a great spot.
Yeah, I know you were saying this is an iconic corner.
I do believe it is an iconic corner because we have Café Santis right in front of us. We are 3 blocks from the Malecón, so it's a great place to be at.
Can you imagine living here and having a glass of wine and going to see all of the best galleries in Puerto Vallarta, hobbling along on the cobblestone streets and then going to have a gourmet dinner at one of the best restaurants in all of Puerto Vallarta, if not Mexico, at Café de Artistes. The chef there is famous. That sounds
super famous.
He's super famous. So that I love the location.
I think that's the main point of this property. Location is everything in this asset.
Location, location, location. Hey, show me the 2nd bedroom.
Okay, let's go.
So we're in the principal bedroom or the master bedroom.
That's right.
And I like it. So a little bathroom right here.
Little half bath, lots of space. We have a little bench here.
Yeah, I like that little nook. And again, the beautiful window. You can see the cobblestone streets.
Absolutely.
Of course, I'm sweating, you're sweating. So every room has air conditioning, Jose?
Every room does, yeah.
Awesome, hallelujah. And the wood and the tile. It's beautiful.
It's a very nice ambience here.
Yeah, nice ambiance. Great energy.
So yeah, this could be a great potential Airbnb rental. You can rent this floor and live upstairs. So we have 2 condos right here.
Yeah, this is a great Airbnb, and I would stay here. I love it.
Oh yeah, me too.
Okay, so we're in the 2nd level now, and it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
That's correct. 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Small patio right here.
I love it. I can hear the fountain and I can see the street. It's so beautiful. It's so charming. And this kitchen. Tell me about this kitchen. It's very warm.
Well, this kitchen has been remodeled lately. So we have a corner kitchen. Lots of lights. Lots of fresh air flowing from the outside.
Yeah, I can feel the breeze on the 2nd level off of the patio. That's a beautiful wraparound patio.
We're gonna see it. Yeah, it's a beautiful wraparound balcony with partial views, so we'll get to see it.
I think they did a great job on the remodel. I love the granite. I love the Samsung fridge, microwave, lots of room to eat, and it extends out onto the patio. And that's so typical of Mexico. The indoor and outdoor, the boundaries are blurred, and we live outside and we live inside. So there's a nice flow here.
And it's a little surprise. I mean, the fountain, you actually weren't expecting it, right?
Thanks for turning it on.
Yeah.
So here we are in the living room, and this place feels like a home. I love the mural. Tell me about that.
Well, yeah, this place used to be an art gallery. It was 2 different art galleries, and as a matter of fact, this mural that we're about to see, it was done by one of the artists featured in this gallery. So he left his signature work in the wall.
It's incredible. There is a very artistic energy in this home, and I'm really enjoying it. Again, I feel the breeze and the windows, and I see the Mexican flowers, and I can almost smell the ocean.
Casi, casi.
Casi, casi. Correct me if I'm wrong, but here we have the principal bedroom, or the main bedroom.
That's correct.
And then a really huge bathroom right here.
That's right.
And I love all the tile in here and the window.
Yeah, the tile pattern keeps coming up every time.
Hey Jose, we're in the master bedroom, and what an incredible master bedroom with that patio, and the ensuite in here is huge.
Very high ceilings.
It does have very high
high
ceilings. Yeah, it feels very spacious and beautiful, and just the colors again, Mexican colors throughout this whole home, and warm browns, lots of storage space up above, and the mirror. This mirror is gorgeous.
Yeah, lots of energy in the place and lots of Mexican charm.
So we're here in the second bedroom, and it's really charming again. The charm extends throughout every room in this home.
Every single corner, yeah.
Yeah, every
Pretty
single
much.
corner. Lots of closet space, Mexican art, a mirror, and a lovely romantic window.
Yeah, for the guy to bring mariachi to her.
I want to see that. I want to see that. And the high ceilings, I think, really open up the space. Again, you've got the rich terracotta colors on the walls. It's very, very warm. Beautiful. So, Jose, what are we going to do now?
Well, let's go check out the rooftop.
Rooftop patio?
Yeah.
Let's go. So we finally made it up to the rooftop patio, and I can see a lot of parties happening up here. It's truly the cherry on the cake. And like we were saying, this property is all about location, location, location. And what a view.
It's a great view. I mean, imagine the sunsets here. We're only 3 blocks from the Malecón. We can see also the restaurants, the art galleries. So the location is supreme.
We live for those Mexican sunsets. You can see the whales, and imagine having a glass of wine out here with someone that you love, and then walking to see all of the galleries, and it's across from one of the very best restaurants, a very iconic restaurant in Puerto Vallarta.
Yeah, Café es Artist. And not only the sunsets, I was here on New Year's Eve and we were able to see the fireworks, so it was an amazing show.
Oh, how incredible.
It was great. It's a great spot to be at.
Those are the moments we live for in our Mexico life, in the Mexico dream. This is a beautiful patio, and we're very, very high up. I can never personally get enough of all of the white buildings with the red rooftops and the ocean. Thanks for taking the time to show us this beautiful property.
My pleasure, Barbara.
Jose, it's been a pleasure, and I wish you all the best.
And me too.
If you're interested in this property, don't hesitate to reach out. Send us an email, make a comment on this YouTube feed, email us at paradiselivingmx@gmail.com, and send us some love, and don't forget to subscribe. This has been so much fun.
It has been.